how to find someone's phone number by name. So if you want to find someone's phone number by name, then what you need to do, the first thing you can try is like if they are a bigger person, then you can go with Google or your browser and you can search for the name of that person and you might find the phone number from the browsers. So for example, you can search for a person number, a popular person's number, and after searching here, as you can see, that you'll be able to see that person's number. You can find that person's phone number by name. But if you don't find it right here, then you can also go with social media accounts like Facebook, LinkedIn, and any other social media application that they use. For example, if you go with Instagram or Facebook, you can go with the profile of that person. After searching, now if you go with the more info, here you will have the information, or you can also go with the about section. Under the about section, you will have the email or the admin info where you will have the phone number. So in this way, you'll be able to find someone's phone number by name. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.